CoreProtect is an essential plugin to help protect your Minecraft Java server from griefing or even accidental damage. I'm Shantek, and today I'll show you how to use the restore and rollback features of CoreProtect. So we're in my creative world of Block Horizon, and we'll do a bit of damage to this building on purpose so we can roll it back. So in cases where you know the person who caused all the grief or the damage, that's super easy to roll back. So using the command /co rollback, followed by user and their username. If you're not wanting to do a general rollback of the entire area, then the actions will let you fine tune the specific things to roll back. I'll link to their documentation in the description as it covers what each of these do. Exclude allows you to exclude specific items from the rollback. Or the opposite way around, you can include to just roll back specific items. We can also specify a radius for the rollback. In this case, we'll go 30 blocks. Or using a hash here, then you can type the world name to do a world rollback for the specific user. And for the time, we can specify how far back we want to roll back. So in our case, we'll go 5 minutes. Now if we have a quick look around the build, you can see all of that destruction has been rolled back. Now we'll get a bit more risky with some actual builds in survival. So in my city, if I use the TNT, and we'll blow that up. So like before, we'll use the /co rollback command. This time we won't specify a player, but we'll go a radius. And for the radius, we'll set that to 15 blocks. As we know this has only just happened, we'll set the time to 1 minute. And as we can see, that's rolled back any actions in this 15 block radius in the last 1 minute. But what happens if we made a mistake or we prefer it with the crater? Then we can use the co restore command with the same radius and the same time, and it will roll back the changes that we've just made. Hopefully that helps get you started with restoring grief on your server. There is a whole variety of things that can be damaged, so if there is specific use cases you want to see, then let me know in the comments.